Welcome to AMA Auto Reviews, where AI meets automotive. Welcome back to AMA Auto Reviews, where it meets history, and legends never fade. Up, because today, we're talking about the ultimate comeback, a name so legendary, it's royalty on four wheels. The Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz back for 2025, and trust me, this isn't just another luxury car, it's a statement. For decades, the Eldorado Biarritz was the pinnacle of American luxury, chrome-drenched, V8 powered, and dripping in prestige. But Cadillac isn't just dusting off an old name, they're bringing it back with a vengeance, and this time, it's designed to dominate the modern era. Cadillac knows how to make an entrance, and the 2025 Eldorado Biarritz? It's rolling in with style, power, and cutting-edge tech. Up front, the iconic shield grille returns, but now, it's sharper, more aggressive, and flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac presence. From the side, a long, sleek bodyline flows effortlessly, giving off that unmistakable Grand Touring vibe. And let's talk wheels, 22-inch turbine-inspired alloys that scream exclusivity. But the real showstopper? That legendary convertible top is back, seamlessly folding away to unleash open-air freedom like never before. Around the back, Cadillac fuses the heritage of tail fins with modern aerodynamics. The vertical LED taillights pay homage to the past, while a sculpted rear bumper and quad exhausts let you know this beauty means business. The 2025 Eldorado Biarritz isn't just about looking good, it's about living first class on wheels. Inside, you're greeted by a fully digital panoramic cockpit, merging high-end materials with state-of-the-art technology. Think hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. Cadillac went all out. And then there's the immersive 40-inch curved OLED display, stretching across the dashboard with next-gen infotainment, augmented reality navigation, and an AI-powered co-pilot. The Bose ultra-premium 3D sound system turns every drive into a concert, and the diamond-quilted massage seats ensure you arrive in style and comfort. Cadillac isn't just bringing back the name, it's bringing back the power. Under the hood, expect a 6.2L supercharged V8, churning out 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This beast launches from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds, making it the fastest Eldorado ever built. But Cadillac knows the future is electric, so they're offering a high-performance EV variant, rumored to have a 600-mile range and mind-blowing instant torque. Whether you're a fan of thunderous V8s or cutting-edge electric performance, the Eldorado Biarritz 2025 delivers. This isn't just a revival, it's a revolution. The 2025 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz isn't just here to compete, it's here to dominate the world of ultra-luxury grand tourers. With iconic styling, world-class luxury, and powerhouse performance, it's proving that Cadillac still reigns supreme. Want to stay ahead of the game? Hit that subscribe button and follow AMA Auto Reviews, where we bring you the hottest reveals, the fastest cars, and the most exclusive insider scoops. This is one comeback you don't want to miss.